Greetings, Portal Master. I am Eon, and I have come to guide you on a great journey. Welcome to Skylands, a magical world of wonder and adventure, protected by the greatest heroes ever known, the Skylanders. But Skylands wasn't always so peaceful. Once it was held in the vicious grip of the most notorious evildoers Skylands has ever known, the Doom Raiders. Striking from their hideout deep in the savage Badlands, the Doom Raiders plundered without mercy until no place was safe. Fortunately, an elite team of Skylanders, wielding legendary weapons, was called upon to track down these villains and bring them to justice. They were the Trap Team. Once captured, the Doom Raiders were taken to the most impenetrable fortress ever constructed, Cloud Cracker Prison. Locked away behind walls of pure Traptanium, the Doom Raiders would never again threaten Skylands. Or so it seemed for many years, until a familiar evil returned. The Trap Team was hurled far away from Skylands, and as they were drawn away from its magic, they began to shrink. Meanwhile, the shattered fragments of Cloud Cracker Prison were transformed into powerful traps. But now you have found them. And just in time, Skyland's most infamous evildoers are on the loose again. It is up to you and your Skylanders to track them down before it is too late. A great adventure awaits you, Portal Master. Behold.
As head of security and secret ninja commando operations, let me welcome you to the grand opening of Skylander Academy.
Oh boy, this is great, Callie. I mean, a new Skylander headquarters? There hasn't been one in ages.
I know, Hugo. And Buzz is the most legendary Skylander trainer ever. There's something familiar about him.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I've seen his kind before. Big show-off. Jesus, he's still talking.
With the opening of the new Skylander Academy, may it usher in a new age of safety, security, and... Wowzers! Holy guacamole! That thing landed smack dab in the middle of our annual soda festival. Stay put, folks, while the Skylanders and I check it out. Me want soda! Wonder where my Skylander operative is.
Axe to the max!
Boomsticks! That's a Skylander, all right. My name's Buzz, head of security and secret ninja commando operations around here. Now, how's about we go investigate all this ruckus? Use your attack to clear out all this stuff. Only thing better than a key is a loaded cannon pointed at a locked door. Fire away! Just push those things out of the way. No one moves turtles better than a Skylander. Careful, Skylander. This may look like an ordinary, harmless little sheep, but I can personally assure you that sheep creep here is bad news. In fact, he's supposed to be in Cloudcracker Prison for leading an ill-fated sheep rebellion. But hey, this gives us a perfect opportunity to practice our trapping skills. Go ahead and take him down for me, will ya?
Sheep creep.
My energy is...
Sheep creep defeated. Sheep creep trapped.
Press the tag button to play as your captured enemy. Then press the tag button again to return to playing as your Skylander.
Holy guacamole! Glad to see you changed your ways, Sheep Creep. Now, let's go save this village. Don't forget that you can always tag out and switch between a Skylander and a captured criminal.
Up high!
Wait a dagburned minute! That looks like Traptanium! I haven't seen that magical stuff in a long time. I'm guessing the arrival of Traptanium might have something to do with you being here too, eh, compadre? Well, what are you waiting for? Go bust that sucker open with your righteously awesome crystal weapon!
You got axed. Up high!
You're showing a lot. You remember those bounce?
Going up!
How did I get here without you seeing me walk past? Hmm? Exactly. Secret ninja commando skills.
Oh yeah!
Don't forget that you can always tag out and switch between a Skylander and a captured criminal. If you want to get through this game, you'll need to tag in with a Trap Master of the Tech Element.
You got axed.
Gulper's gotta go! His name's the Gulper. And strange thing is, he's supposed to be locked up in Cloudcracker Prison too. Something very peculiar going on here, and I suggest we get to the bottom of it. Pronto! Soda! I must have soda! That is why I must have soda! The Gulper. Gulper's got... Just had another thought. If it's soda that Gulper wants, it's soda he's not gonna get. So, all you need to do is bounce on over to that next building and destroy the soda vat before he can drink it. That ought to hold him for a bit.
Up high.
Our village is doomed! No!
Soda!
It's a Skylander! Best news I've heard all day!
Ouch! Yep, that's exactly what I was thinking. Now, quick, get over there and destroy the vat.
Oh, yeah.
No! What are you doing? Just had the most awesome idea, even for me. See these two vats here? This orange ambrosia cooler was named Soda of the Year. The other green stuff is bottom-feeding suction eel flavored. It tastes even worse than it sounds. But if we can switch them up and trick the Gulper into drinking the eel stuff, it might just bring him down to size. Switch up those vats. Well done!
The Gulper defeated.
Put a water...
Stay back, swirly thing! Hey, my trident! I just wanted to drink soda!
The Gulper trapped.